Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dreams and Nightmares on piano easily. We'll start by identifying the main melody notes and their positions on the keyboard. Then, I'll guide you through the fundamental chord shapes used throughout the piece. Focus on a slow, steady tempo to ensure your fingers learn the correct movements. This approach will help you build a solid foundation for playing the entire song smoothly and confidently. Now let's focus on the left hand's role in Dreams and Nightmares. You'll primarily use three-note chords, often called triads, to provide the harmonic foundation. Practice transitioning between these chords slowly, ensuring each change is fluid and without hesitation. A metronome can be incredibly helpful here, keeping your timing precise. Remember, consistency in your left hand creates a strong rhythmic pulse for the entire song. Moving to the right hand, we'll break down the iconic melody into smaller, more digestible phrases. Focus on the specific notes and their rhythmic values to capture the song's feel accurately. Once you're comfortable with individual phrases, gradually connect them. The next step is to carefully combine your right hand melody with the left hand chords, ensuring both hands work together in sync. This coordination is crucial for a complete sound. To truly master Dreams and Nightmares, consistent practice is key. Aim for at least 15 minutes each day, focusing on specific sections that challenge you. Don't be afraid to record yourself playing. Listening back can reveal subtle timing issues or note inaccuracies you might miss otherwise. Remember, patience and persistence are your best allies in learning any new piece. Also, for some great deals and that awesome sock link, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.